All right, let's kick off this exploration into the endangered realm of our planet's incredible creatures. We're embarking on a journey through the challenges and triumphs of some extraordinary species, each facing the looming threat of extinction. Now, let's soar to the skies of North America, where the California condor, one of the world's most endangered birds, faces an uphill battle for survival. With a wingspan of up to 10 feet, these majestic creatures were once on the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts, including captive breeding and reintroduction programs, have made strides in increasing their numbers. But the threat of lead poisoning from ingesting spent lead ammunition remains a critical concern. Venturing into the ocean depths, we encounter the Japanese spider crab, a creature that seems like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. With legs that can span up to 12 feet, this deep-sea arthropod faces the challenges of habitat degradation and overfishing. Despite its alien appearance, the Japanese spider crab is a vital part of marine ecosystems, and its conservation is crucial for maintaining biodiversity in the oceans. Now let's shift our focus to the axolotl, a charming aquatic salamander native to Mexico. Famous for its regenerative abilities and frilly external gills, the axolotl is a beloved species in the world of amphibians. However, pollution, habitat loss, and the pet trade pose serious threats to its existence. Conservation efforts are essential to preserve this unique creature that holds the key to understanding regeneration in vertebrates. Heading to a different part of the world, we encounter the northern bald ibis, a bird species with a distinctive bald head. Nestled in the landscapes of North Africa and the Middle East, this critically endangered bird faces threats from habitat destruction and disturbance. Conservation initiatives aim to protect nesting sites and address the challenges posed by human activities. The plight of the northern white rhino is a heartbreaking tale of near extinction. With only 2 individuals remaining, both females, this subspecies is functionally extinct in the wild. Poaching for their horns has decimated their population, leaving us with a stark reminder of the devastating impact of illegal wildlife trade. Intensive conservation efforts, including assisted reproduction techniques, offer a glimmer of hope for the survival of this iconic species. Now let's swing through the treetops to meet the white-cheeked gibbon, a primate species native to Southeast Asia. With its distinctive appearance and acrobatic lifestyle, the white-cheeked gibbon faces threats from habitat loss and hunting. Conservation programs work to protect their habitats and raise awareness about the importance of preserving these agile and vocal primates. The hawksbill turtle takes us on a journey to the world's oceans, where these magnificent creatures play a crucial role in maintaining the health of coral reefs. However, the illegal trade of their beautifully patterned shells, habitat destruction, and climate change are pushing them towards extinction. Conservation efforts focus on protecting nesting sites and implementing measures to reduce threats from human activities. Now let's swing from the trees to the lush rainforests of Sumatra, where the Sumatran orangutan swings from branch to branch. This critically endangered great ape faces the dual threats of habitat loss due to palm oil plantations and illegal hunting. Conservation initiatives aim to protect their habitats, rehabilitate individuals affected by human-wildlife conflict, and promote sustainable practices to ensure the survival of this intelligent and charismatic species. Rolling into the world of scales and armor, we encounter the pangolin, often referred to as the scaly antiotter. This unique mammal, covered in protective keratin scales, faces the relentless pressure of illegal wildlife trade. Highly sought after in some traditional medicine practices, pangolins are at risk of being poached into extinction. Conservation efforts focus on combating illegal trade and raising awareness about the importance of protecting these elusive creatures. Moving to the misty mountains of Central Africa, we meet the mountain gorilla, a majestic primate species facing the challenges of habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation initiatives, including ecotourism and community engagement, have played a vital role in increasing their numbers and ensuring the protection of their mountainous habitats. The Amur leopard prowls into our spotlight, representing one of the rarest big cats on the planet. Native to the forests of the Russian Far East and parts of China, the Amur leopard faces threats from habitat loss and poaching. Conservation efforts, such as habitat protection and anti-poaching measures, aim to secure a future for this elusive and beautiful feline. Soaring through the skies of the Philippines, the Philippine eagle commands our attention. With its imposing size and unique appearance, this critically endangered raptor faces the threats of habitat loss and hunting. Conservation programs work tirelessly to protect their remaining habitats and raise awareness about the importance of preserving this iconic bird of prey. We circle back to the challenge faced by the northern white rhino, emphasizing the urgency of conservation actions to prevent the complete loss of this subspecies. The story of the last 2 remaining individuals underscores the critical need for global cooperation in the fight against poaching and habitat destruction. Now let's venture into the lush landscapes of Java, where the Javan rhino makes its last stand. With only a handful of individuals remaining, this critically endangered rhinoceros species faces the dual threats of habitat loss and the risk of natural disasters in its lowland habitats. Conservation efforts aim to protect their habitats and create safe zones for these rare rhinos. The dhole, also known as the Asiatic wild dog, leads us into the diverse ecosystems of Asia. Facing threats from habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict, this social carnivore is classified as endangered. Conservation initiatives focus on securing protected areas and addressing the challenges posed by human activities. Now, let's navigate the dense jungles of Sumatra once again, where the Sumatran tiger prowls as one of the last remaining tiger subspecies. With their habitats rapidly disappearing due to deforestation and poaching for their body parts, the Sumatran tiger's survival hangs in the balance. Conservation programs strive to protect their habitats and enforce anti-poaching measures to safeguard the future of this iconic big cat. Our journey takes us to the vast steppes of Central Asia, where the saiga antelope faces the challenges of habitat loss and poaching. With its distinctive bulbous nose and large spiraled horns, this critically endangered antelope species is in need of urgent conservation attention. Efforts are underway to protect their migration routes and combat illegal hunting. As our expedition through the endangered animal kingdom concludes, we're left with a profound realization. The fate of these incredible species rests in our hands. The challenges they face are complex, ranging from habitat loss and climate change to illegal wildlife trade and human-wildlife conflict. However, through concerted conservation efforts, awareness raising, and sustainable